Hello, I'm April Hamilton. I'm a supervisor at Cadillac Area Public Schools.
And I'm Tammy. I'm the resident dietitian for the CAPS district. And today, Chef April is going to be making a yummy tomato basil soup.
All right, let's get started. First, we're going to add our tomato paste into a pot, of course. Then we do 2.5 cups of milk. Then we add our vegetable broth. We whisk this together in the pot. Whisk this to a smooth consistency. We'll add all our spices and seasonings. We have basil, Italian seasoning, pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Once again, you'll whisk this all together. We'll simmer it over a medium heat, so it's 165 degrees. It's ready to serve and enjoy.
Love the tomato basil soup. It's such a great fall addition to every meal, lunch and dinner. Fantastic.
Today's famous ingredient for the tomato basil soup are tomatoes. Tomatoes are actually a fruit. They're a superfruit. They're heart healthy. They contain potassium, vitamin B, which may lower the blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It has lycopene, which is a fantastic antioxidant. Lycopene and beta-carotene may help prevent skin from sun damage and decrease sensitivity to the UV rays. Also, lycopene, the antioxidant I just mentioned, and natural chemicals found in tomatoes may reduce the risk of developing certain cancers, colorectal, prostate, and stomach cancer. Vitamin K and calcium, in addition to lycopene, may help strengthen and repair bones and improve bone mass. Superfood tomatoes are great with many things, but enjoy this tomato basil fantastic healthy soup.